In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can throw a pretty darn awesome picnic. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Cecilia Freeman. I'm the author. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Today's video was inspired by a picnic I threw for my friends a couple years ago, and I absolutely loved it. I had so much fun planning it, and it was something that I just absolutely enjoyed. So I wanted to share with you how I created my picnic. And all the steps that you are going to be following is how I set it up. But basically my picnic, I decided that I had bought a picnic basket from Walmart a year before this. And I had been dying to use it, but I'm not very social and I don't have a lot of super social friends, so I decided to stop waiting and I told all my friends I want to throw a picnic. So first thing I did was I was like, okay, I have a picnic basket, I don't have anything else. So I looked it up on Pinterest and just started going picnic ideas, picnic this, picnic that, and I decided to throw a retro picnic party. My retro theme was inspired because I love swing, I love dancing, and I like the whole colorful hair, all that stuff with headbands, heels, and poofy dresses. I love all that stuff. So what I decided to do for my food was chicken sandwiches, and I made them in the, I cooked the chicken, I cooked the bread, I made it all, and then I cut them all, put it in wax paper or parchment. I wrapped it all up and tied it with string, so it gave it an extra retro theme feel. It was awesome. It was like crinkly paper and like chicken. Oh, it was wonderful. And then on top of that, I also made desserts. I made a couple extra things. I made sure I bought Coke bottles, the glass ones, so you have to pop it open and everything, which, by the way, I didn't remember that when you pop them open, you have to have something to pop them open with, unless you have very strong hands. So me and my friend spent a good 10 minutes whacking our bottles against some concrete, trying to open them, and it did work, but it took us a bit of time. So if you decide to do the Coke bottles with the glass and not the screw off lids, bring a bottle opener. I also wanted to involve my friends, but I wanted to keep it a little bit of surprise, so I sent invitations to every single one of them and invited them to the picnic, but I asked them to bring a side dish. So every one of them helped out by bringing something to the picnic, but I did the majority of all the food, like the dessert, I did the sandwiches, I did the drinks. So they all brought side things to help bring it all to life. It was wonderful. We had so much food. We were stuffing our faces the whole time. It was awesome. So then I also remembered that it is a picnic, so I brought sheets to put down on the ground because it was a little bit damp because it rained the day before or something. So I put sheets down first, and then I put a blanket on top. Then I put pillows all around. I had a speaker with some music, some good old swing music. We put that on the side, and it created a wonderful theme. I had plates of food everywhere. I was wearing my favorite swing dress. I had my headband. My hair was curled. I had red lipstick on. I had heels and a poofy underskirt, which made my whole thing all poofy. It was wonderful. And then all my friends, I told all my friends to dress up too, and they all came up dressed up, and it was wonderful. And all together, we looked pretty darn awesome, and we had a great time. It was fun putting the picnic together, and it was fun seeing everybody else enjoy it too. So, at the end of this video, I hope you're inspired to grab a picnic basket, take your nearest friend or family member, and go have a lovely picnic somewhere. It's simple, it doesn't have to be expensive, it can be whatever you want it to be. Whatever theme you want it to be. It's just one extra way of enjoying life. Step 1. Pick a theme. Get creative. Think of something you would always wanted to do on a picnic and go for it. It doesn't have to be super fancy or anything like that. Just get creative. Don't be afraid to throw in some fun little party things in there and just have fun with a theme. Pick a theme, a date, and a time for your picnic. Step 2. Figure out who you're going to invite to this picnic, whether it be yourself, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your mom, your dad, your family members, or some of your best buddies. Step 3. Plan out your food and drinks for this picnic. Make sure you're keeping it in the theme if you want to, or go crazy and do whatever the heck you want to. Make it a mystery theme or whatever, taste testing. Just go crazy, have fun with it. Pick whatever you want for the food and drinks. Be sure to know that if you're going during a hot time, make sure if you're doing ice cream or anything that needs to be cold, plan ahead, put all that together. Step 4, find a location. The location doesn't have to be anywhere fancy, just like anything else. When I did my picnic, I picked a nice grassy hill area that's a little bit out of town, but it's nice and isolated, so not a whole lot of people around because I don't really like big crowds. And it was just a lovely place to have a picnic. So if you have like a garden area or even just the backyard. Step 5, this is a picnic. So pack blankets, pillows, couple sheets to put down over the ground, and then put the blankets on top, and then put the pillows. That way it's all very cozy, comfortable setting. Make sure you bring bug spray if you have really bad bugs. Do things like little lights if you're doing later in the evening, or things like, I don't know, throw glitter on there, I don't care. Flowers if you want to. Whatever your theme is, go crazy and get creative with the theme and the setting you want your picnic to look like. Step 6, depending on if you're meeting your friends at the location or if you're all just going to go there together, set up. Have your friends join you and help you set up, or if you want to make it a little bit of a surprise, set up everything beforehand and tell them to meet you at the location. So it's a little bit of a unveiling surprise. And last but not least, step 7, have fun, enjoy, and have a lovely time. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Join my YouTube family. Invite family and friends to join my family as well. I do have a goal of hitting 100 subscribers by December, so help me hit that goal. And if you like what you see, subscribe and like, and leave any comments about your picnics or what you want to share about the picnics you've held before. I'd love to hear from you guys. Have a great day, have a lovely week, and God bless. Bye everybody!